In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi network is not showing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate here at the start icon. Please make a right click and then scroll up and click on the device manager. So once you have bring up the device manager window, all you need to do is you need to locate with network adapters, which is next to monitor. So click on this forward arrow and eventually it will show you the list of driver under it. Okay. So you need to locate with wireless LAN guard. Okay. Make a right click and go with uninstall device. So before confirming your action, make sure that this box is unchecked. Okay. So if you in your case it is being checked, uncheck it and click on uninstall. Once done, close the window, okay, and navigate here where you can scan for hardware changes. Okay, click on it and eventually it would be reinstalled or it would be installed again here in your Windows. So by that, you can check if your Wi-Fi network is now showing this time in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So navigate here at the startup, click on this Wi-Fi icon and try to check if your Wi-Fi network is now showing here under the list of available network here in your PC or laptop will be showing this time. Okay, so if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.